Good morning, eighth graders. I hope you enjoyed a great long weekend. Can you believe this weather? Okay, so only in 2020 would it go from 100 degrees one day to like 30 the next, right? There is some science behind that, some cold weather fronts moving in. Watch the news, they'll tell you. But I just want to welcome you to week 3. This week in science, I want to go over just a couple of quick things. So we do have an assignment due Wednesday and also due Thursday. So the week of September 7th, if you notice, I'm putting the newest week on top in science. There is a weekly warm-up that's due Thursday. Again, it is a scientific method warm-up. So I've been trying to use this color coding to show the IV and the DV. Okay, the DV is the time it takes to attract bees, so that's why there's two things there. But please submit your IV, DV questions 1, 2, and 3 in your response. So when you go to respond, please make sure you have like 1, 2, 3, because there are 3 questions there. Okay, and then as far as your lessons, this week is all about controlled variables, which are things that need to stay the same in the lab, and then control group, which is the group you're going to compare your results to in a lab. So Monday there was no school, woohoo. Today you're going to watch the controlled variables and control group video, and then there's a worksheet that's due Wednesday. Okay. Tomorrow on Wednesday you're going to watch variable and control group review. That is a different assignment. And you're going to complete that worksheet by Thursday. One last thing that I want to point out is by the end of Thursday, I would like you to create a Gizmo account, okay? If you were here in 6th or 7th grade, you've probably done a Gizmo, which is an online lab, but you need to look at your hours class code and just create a Gizmo account. We're not going to do any Gizmos until next week, but I want you to create an account. So the website is explorelearning.com. When you get there, you're going to enroll in the class, and there's a video in Thursday's folder on how to do that. But you need to find your class. If you're in 2nd hour, here's your code all the way down. If you're in 6th hour, there's your code. So by the end of Thursday, we're going to register for a Gizmo account, and that way next week we can work on a Gizmo. Guys, I hope that you have an amazing week. Remember, I am still accepting all work, and I'm not even counting it late. So if you are kind of figuring out this online thing and you need to go back to week 1 or week 2, you may do that. And then there are 2 new assignments this week for week 3. Have a great week, guys.